is freezing cold out here in the Ozark Mountains, and this is not conducive to riding scooters, so we're heading to Florida. Road trip time. Spike said he's ready. I'm ready. Let's try to sell a scooter or two, have some fun riding scooters, and then maybe make it over to an event in Virginia. So we're hitting the road. We're getting out of this. Later. Every lock is frozen, so I gotta take a propane heater just to get the key in the hole. Yeah, we definitely need some warmer temperatures. Tetris is coming along because it's carrying a lot of stuff. Still messed up, but dang it, it rolls. We gotta get this money. Let's go. Well, we are in Conway, Arkansas, just outside of Little Rock. It is still highly crappy, but as we head south, it should pick up. We're gonna stop for the night at a Sam's Club and get some shut-eye because we've been going pretty slow. Been driving for quite a few hours now. Get back in the morning, up in the morning, and keep it going. We are at a Sam's Club parking lot, and it's gonna be low key. Hopefully, it's cool to camp here. We don't get messed with. Probably the cops aren't gonna be out messing with people in RVs right now, so we're gonna call it a night, get some sleep, get up in the morning, and keep heading south. It's cold. Gotta put up this barrier to keep the cold out, and tuck it in for a good night's sleep. Got two space heaters going, and well, actually 3, because I'm gonna turn on this little Dyson that I sleep by, and it keeps this area up here, the little loft area, warm. So, and then of course we got the propane, so we got plenty of heat going. We're gonna leave the generator going all night to power the heaters and to keep the undercarriage a little warm, the water tanks and stuff from freezing. Even though right now they are frozen, indeed no water's coming out of anything. But anyway, good night. Well, it is quite warm up there. It's still kind of warm in the RV. Let's do a temperature check. 9 degrees in Conway, Arkansas. We set that at Sam's Club parking lot, no problem. Now I'm about to make me some coffee and get on the road. After soon goes to her famous Ross though. Here's outside. Oh, it's actively snowing. Well, this will be fun. We need to get south quick. South. Let's get south. Can't even flush the toilet because it's like froze up. So luckily we got water we can pour in there and still kind of flush it. Let's get it. The struggle is real. My coffee, honey, is pretty damn hard. This is the best coffee maker for RVs. Ox. They don't make them anymore. The company went out of business, but these things are so portable and rugged. They're made for construction sites and stuff like that, so everything's self-contained, and it just works. Put your little K-cup in there, lock it down, seals out all the dust, dirt. All this part normally would fold up and make it real portable. You can still grab these, and you get a pretty good price in some places. Around $100, a little over $100. It used to be a lot more. But yeah, if you have an RV, get you an Ox coffee maker and either mount it or just have it with you. If you want something durable and rugged to be out here on the road with, and they do work great. Highly recommend them. Think about the snow.
It's cold, but it's perfect.
Pretty, but they don't even have plows out here in Arkansas. They're just not used to this kind of stuff. It is cold and it is icy, and we're right in the middle of this. I can't even see the curves. I'm gonna have to just navigate the best I can with what I got going here to try to just even get through this parking lot. Yeah, this is craziness right here, man. It's so cold, the diesel coming out, it just turned into froth. Then it's tripping the sensor up. See that? It's just frothing up. It was tripping the sensor up on the nozzle, so then it doesn't want to fill up. I mean, it's just frigid right here. I was soon checking to see if this Ross is open, which I highly doubt. There's not even any cars in the parking lot. Yeah. Even the Ross is closed.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Don't carry your coat, wear it.
Yeah, they're not even really shoveling the driveway. This guy right here has got a shovel and he's like cleaning off the walkways for the customers that aren't there. Oh, bro, I don't even know. We need to get south. Gee whiz. Nothing here is like cleared out, snow plowed or nothing. It's just, we're just trekking through the regular snow. Luckily, we got so much weight that it's helping out by pushing down on the tires back there. But it's almost like this dead, no cars out here. I'm starting to wonder if we should keep going or just post up. But I'm gonna go a little bit and fill it out. But geez, once we get on the travel path, it shouldn't be so bad. But this is not the best time to be pulling a trailer, that's for damn sure. Look at this snow, guys. This place hardly ever sees snow at all, let alone this.
At the roundabout, take the third exit to Industrial Boulevard.
Yeah, let's get that highway. I'm seeing tow trucks pulling some cars off the side of the roads and stuff like that. That car looks like it didn't make it somewhere. But yeah, this is amazing. Amazing. The trucks are out playing. They're like, hey, this is fun. Alright, this is Conway, Arkansas.
Take the ramp on the right to I-40 East toward Little Rock.
I mean, they don't even probably have plow trucks out here. Which is why you're seeing what you're seeing right now. Hopefully this highway gets
to I-40
better.
East toward Little Rock.
Right now, it is totally sucking. Report back in. So we got back on the road because of this plow truck right here, which is helping out immensely. But I don't know where he stops and when he turns around, but wherever that is that's where we're getting off. So hopefully we can get at least. I'd like to get to Little Rock if we can, because there's probably going to be more stuff for us to do and potentially find open in Little Rock. But if we had to stay in Spike and
is closed. Continue to I-40.
saying that I-40 is closed here, we got to do that, then you know it's no big deal. We got TV and internet and everything. So, but just trying to get as far as we can, reasonably speaking. Man, the visibility is crap. But yeah, this is a doozy. They definitely don't have enough plow trucks, but at least they got something going here. All right. This car don't believe fat meat is greasy. He's trying to think he's a truck, and he's just a weaving and he's gonna get stuck here in a minute. He better get his ass over here to the right behind this plow. Look at him. Move, Ron. He still ain't caught on. Get behind the plow, dummy. Look at him. He's sliding everywhere. If he gets stuck, I ain't gonna feel sorry for him. This guy is a fool, man. I bet it's just a matter of time before he's stuck on the side of the road, because he won't get enough sense to get over behind this truck, thinking he's gonna plow ahead. I'll video him when he's stuck. Don't worry about it. I got you guys. Where he gets off, we get off. I don't know which way his ass is going now. If he gets back on the road, we'll follow him. But no, he's going down a whole nother way. So yeah, it's time for us to get off this road and just post up, play it safe until this thins out a little bit. So here's a shell. Alright, figure it out from here. Alright, we got our way up to this McDonald's. There's a semi truck behind us that's stuck. But this Spike's been doing real good. He's a good boy. He's been doing good out here in the snow. We're gonna go get something to eat, and then we're gonna post up and watch movies and kind of let this all pass by, because it's just not wise to keep going in this right now. I want to get out of it, but it wins for today. So we're gonna just watch some movies and take it easy. Walked out here for nothing due to the weather. They're closed. I guess their lobby's closed or something. I don't know. But I think it's just drive-through. The car down here is trying to make it up this hill. I don't think he's gonna do it. He's gonna have to go backwards. Yep, he's backing down. I'm at the McDonald's drive-through trying to get my meal that I ordered on the app. So this is great. One of my jacks is messed up. Now I have to figure out how to get it to go up in the freezing cold. And one of the pads came off. So, geez, jacks forever, and all of a sudden this. See that? The pad's up here. And without that pad and that spring to pull it up, it won't retract. So now I gotta figure out a way to get underneath that so it comes up. So basically I take this bar and put pressure underneath this this jack and slowly force it back upwards. I'm just gonna let it stay like that till I get to somewhere warmer and just not use this system. You know, so I can put that thing back under there. What a time to fall off, huh? It's freezing out here. Needed more leverage, so thank goodness for tools, but slowly getting that jack to go up. Leverage on that box and then pushing it up here. Slowly but surely. Hydraulic fluid does not like the cold. We are on I-40 west, east, and it's not doing too bad. We're between Little Rock and Memphis, and making good time, doing about 40 miles an hour. So hopefully we can break into the south weather before nightfall, and then we can really actually. There's another person that didn't think fat meat was greasy. Semi just almost ran me off the road and tried to pass me, but then inches of me instead of him just being patient. Now these people are stupid. A lot of these people are driving way too fast for the conditions, and then this kind of crap happens. We've seen a few of these. Yeah. Instead of just going slow. You deserve every bit of it too. Well, it just now cleared up a little bit, but it's been doing this and it'll get back bad again. But this is really good right here. We're not quite to Memphis yet. Probably 30, 40 miles outside of Memphis, I'm guessing, right around there. So once we get to Memphis, we can go south, and then hopefully it'll start improving greatly. But it has been very nerve-wracking. The wind's blowing. I got a trailer, which doesn't help with the wind. The road's been real sketchy. But we're fighting through it. We're trying. And before you know it, it gets back like this again. so crappy that we're gonna just stop and hang out at a casino and try it again in the morning. Hopefully things will be better, but it's bad. They're not plowing these roads. I mean, we're barely getting along right now. So we're gonna post up at a casino instead of trying to push it more south for the night. Well, we are in Memphis and it's crappy. I think the objective now is to try to get to Plow, Mississippi, which is southeast of here, and I think at some point we're gonna break through the where all the snow fell, and we should be good. So if the road is paved or plowed good enough for me to get down, even if it's slow going, I'm going to keep trying to go down I think it's Highway 22 heading southeast to get out of the snow range here. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Sure. Just munching on some nachos. We just had some delicious homemade guacamole, courtesy of Soon's famous guacamole. Now she made some nachos. And we're gonna head on down the road and see if we can get out of this snow. Nice and snowy. Okay, there's a car off in the ditch. She's applying their airstream right now. Everybody's okay. They're trying to tow it out. That ain't too bad. We are deep into the north part of Mississippi, and it's still plenty of snow to go around. This place where I haven't seen snow in a very, very long time, I'd imagine. And this is Mississippi, for goodness sakes. But we're still trekking along. It's about 8:30ish, 8:15, and we're trying to break through, trying to get out of this snow. It's supposed to end somewhere around here, so we're trying to be safe as we can, doing about 40 miles an hour. Got a train of cars behind me, but hey, they can pass if they want to. One car did. Most people are kind of content where they are, so onward and upward. Well, we got to some black ice. It was hard to stop and slow down. I decided to scrap this idea of making it to nicer weather tonight. It just seems like this snow just keeps coming, and hopefully we'll break through tomorrow. So we're at the Cracker Barrel, and we're parked. This level is reasonable, even though my jacks are now down and out until we get that straightened out. But we should have a fairly comfortable night. Got half a tank of fuel, so the generator will be happy all night here. Tomorrow, grab some fuel and keep going down the road till we get to warmer temperatures. So we'll check back. This is the fun of RVing in the cold, in the frigid cold. I think right now it's probably 5 degrees. I'm guessing it's cold. Anyway, good night. Till tomorrow. Shalom.